In the early 20th century, amidst the vibrant heart of Japan filled with movement and innovation, a unique story began, one that would change the course of industrial history. In 1926, the idea of a brilliant man named Sakichi Toyoda took shape. Driven by an unlimited passion for developing machines and improving production methods, he set the stage for something extraordinary. Initially, his vision was not directed towards manufacturing cars. His primary goal was to revolutionize textile machinery. Sakichi invented the first automatic loom, a groundbreaking innovation that transformed Japan's textile industry. This machine was not merely a mechanical device, it was a symbol of creativity and progress, paving the way for a more advanced future in industry. Later on, as the demand for machinery grew and technology advanced, Sakichi's son, Kichiro Toyoda, emerged with a belief that the future held even greater potential in transportation. In 1935, the company took its first step into the world of automotive manufacturing with the production of its first model, known as Toyota A1. As for the name Toyota, it carries its own special story. Originally, the family name was Toyoda, but when it came time to officially name the company, Toyota was chosen. This was because its Japanese characters required 8 strokes to write, a number that symbolizes good fortune and success in Japanese culture, reflecting the bright future envisioned for the company. Thus, from a small workshop producing textile machinery, the journey began that would transform the company into one of the world's greatest automotive manufacturers. Toyota's story is not just about a transition from textiles to cars, it is a tale of determination, creativity, and a visionary outlook that reshaped the global industrial landscape. This story reminds us that humble beginnings can harbor the seeds of tremendous success, and that innovation is the key to building a globally renowned brand.